Hey everyone, TechRax here. Quick video I wanted to make. I haven't made a video in a while. First few things I want to get out of the way. Huge giveaway at 10,000 subscribers, so please don't forget about that. Follow my Facebook page because that is where I make all the huge announcements. So be sure and stay tuned for the giveaway. Back to the point of this video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at the first look of the iPhone 6. And I know this is a very early video to make, but with the Apple technology, stuff goes by super quick, super fast. So here's what it is. So first of all, the name is either the iPhone 5S or the iPhone 6. Now it's rumored, like it says here in this article, to have a 4.8-inch screen, which is ridiculous because it's way larger than the previous model, and I'm not too fond of that, but we will see how that goes if that's, in fact true. Now, here are some of the really cool key rumors out there right now. So first of all, Retina screen plus something called IGZO display technology, and I don't really know what this is, but I looked it up before, and it seems like it's this new sort of display technology that's like never been used before. We'll see how that goes. Moving on, yeah, the iPhone 5 could potentially, or the iPhone 6 could potentially be in 6 different colors. I don't know if that's true, it's just rumored stuff. NFC technology will be there, improved battery. What else it was there? Oh yeah, 128 gigabytes of internal storage. That's a possibility, as well as, well, what else was there? Oh yeah, no home button. So I'm curious as to see how they'll would work that out. But no home button. Anyways, so basically to conclude this video, I just wanted to show you guys some concept pictures of the iPhone 6 itself. So take a look at some of these pictures. Could this potentially be what the iPhone, the next Apple iPhone will look like? I don't know. You guys can decide, but I'm definitely really liking the black one. Really cool how they actually made, if they actually did that, like put the Apple symbol as the home button and kind of made it touch screen, I think that'd be so cool. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh yeah, last thing, almost forgot. Expected release date is actually June or July of next year, so very early. As always with the Apple stuff. So that's pretty much it, guys. Stay tuned for the giveaway and peace out.